Ever wondered why some trends take over the internet, while others fade into oblivion? What is it about certain videos, challenges, or memes that make them impossible to ignore? Today, we're diving deep into the psychology behind viral trends and what makes them spread like wildfire. Welcome to my channel. If you've ever shared a trending meme or found yourself humming a viral song without realizing it, you're not alone. Virality isn't just luck, it's science. In this video, we'll explore the psychological triggers that make trends go viral, the role of emotions in sharing content, and how platforms like TikTok and Instagram influence our behavior. Let's get started. The science of virality. Trends spread like social contagions. Psychologists call this mimetic desire, meaning we copy what others find desirable. When we see something shared repeatedly, our brains perceive it as more valuable or important. The concept of FOMO, fear of missing out, drives us to engage with popular trends so we don't feel left out. Emotional triggers that drive sharing. Studies show that content that evokes strong emotions, whether joy, surprise, anger, or even sadness, is more likely to be shared. Positive emotions like humor and awe boost engagement, but even outrage fuels virality. Think controversial debates and hot takes. People share content to reinforce their identity, whether to appear funny, informed, or socially conscious. The role of social proof. The more likes, shares, and comments a post gets, the more likely we are to engage with it ourselves. Social. Validation plays a huge role. When influencers or celebrities jump on a trend, it skyrockets. Algorithms amplify this effect by pushing high engagement content to even more people. The platform effect. Different platforms encourage different types of virality. TikTok thrives on short-form, easily replicable challenges, while Twitter spreads concise, viral statements. The For You page and algorithm-driven recommendations expose users to content similar to what they already engage with, making trends spread faster. The ease of participation, such as remixing, duetting, or resharing, lowers barriers to engagement and fuels rapid growth. Virality isn't just random, it's a mix of psychology, emotions, and platform mechanics. Now that you understand the psychology behind viral trends, you can spot patterns, predict what might go viral next, or even create your own trend. What's the most memorable viral trend you've participated in? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights like this. See you in the next video.